Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough today for Brainpan. I've already downloaded the VM and he's running right here, so right now I'm going to discover where he's at. I like to use Terminator just because I have, can basically have more screens open, so I've already created a directory for Brainpan, so I'll just change to that real quick. Alright. And I will start off with a nmap scan to see where he's at on my network. My dyslexia kicking in, so just fired up the script, so just waiting for it to complete. So it completed. Looks like some interesting stuff here. Wow, it's kind of shell code running on 9999. And there's a web server on 10,000. So what's this guy's address? Okay, so he's 185. All right, great. So now I'm going to run Nikto against 10,000, see if there's any hidden directories. Okay, so it looks like it's an executable there. Now, I could do this a couple of ways. I could probably do a wget and just download it to my Kali box, but I do have a Windows 7 VM, so I just rather go directly to that one. So hang on a second. Okay, so now I fired up my Windows box. Let's go out there and get that executable. Just making a note that my Windows box is 199.129. Okay, so I just downloaded the executable, and let's see what this thing is. On this machine I have a debugger, so let me open it up with the Unity debugger. Alright, so this is the application called Brainpan, and right now the IP pointer is pointing to this address. So I don't know, what do you think? Buffer overflow? Probably. So let's see if we can crash it. Alright, so this guy is paused. So let me get him ready for prime time. Start. Alright, so now he's running. Alright. So I'm going to create a fuzzer, nothing fancy, just something to see if we can cause a crash.